IFSultimo Online Training. Introduction to IFSultimo, an overview. IFSultimo is a robust enterprise asset management (EAM) software that provides organizations with the tools to effectively manage their assets throughout their life cycle. It integrates various aspects of asset management, including maintenance, operations, safety, and compliance, to ensure that assets are optimally utilized, costs are controlled, and risks are minimized. Key features of IFSultimo. Asset management. IFSultimo allows organizations to track and manage the entire life cycle of their assets from acquisition to disposal. It provides detailed information on asset conditions, maintenance history, and performance metrics. Maintenance management. The platform supports both preventive and predictive maintenance, helping organizations reduce downtime and extend the lifespan of their assets. It includes features like work order management, scheduling, and resource allocation. Inventory management. IFSultimo offers tools for managing spare parts and inventory, ensuring that the necessary components are available when needed. It also includes features for tracking stock levels, reordering, and managing suppliers. Safety and compliance. The software helps organizations ensure that their operations comply with regulatory requirements. It includes modules for managing safety inspections, audits, and incident reporting. Reporting and analytics. IFSultimo provides robust reporting and analytics capabilities, enabling organizations to gain insights into asset performance, maintenance efficiency, and overall operational effectiveness. Mobile access. The platform is designed with mobile accessibility in mind, allowing field technicians and maintenance teams to access asset information, update work orders, and report issues directly from their mobile devices. Benefits of using IFSultimo. Improved asset utilization. By providing detailed insights into asset performance and condition, IFSultimo helps organizations make informed decisions that maximize asset utilization and minimize downtime. Cost control. The platform's maintenance management features help reduce unexpected repairs and extend the life of assets, leading to significant cost savings. Enhanced safety and compliance. With its integrated safety and compliance features, IFSultimo ensures that organizations meet regulatory standards and maintain a safe working environment. Scalability. IFSultimo is scalable, making it suitable for organizations of all sizes, from small businesses to large enterprises. Industries served. IFSultimo is used across various industries, including manufacturing, healthcare, transportation, and utilities. Its flexibility and comprehensive feature set make it adaptable to the specific needs of different sectors. Conclusion. IFSultimo is a powerful EAM solution that provides organizations with the tools they need to efficiently manage their assets, ensure compliance, and optimize operations. Its comprehensive feature set, coupled with its flexibility and scalability, makes it a valuable tool for organizations looking to improve their asset management processes. Key features and benefits of IFSultimo. IFSultimo is an enterprise asset management (EAM) solution designed to optimize the management of assets, maintenance processes, and operations across various industries. Here are the key features and benefits of IFSultimo. Key features. Asset management. Comprehensive asset registry. If Saltimo provides a detailed registry for all types of assets, allowing users to track asset status, history, and location. Asset life cycle management. Manage the entire life cycle of assets from acquisition to disposal, ensuring optimal performance and cost effectiveness. Maintenance management. Preventive and predictive maintenance. Schedule maintenance activities based on asset conditions, usage, or time intervals to prevent downtime and extend asset life. Work order management. Create, assign, and track work orders efficiently, ensuring that maintenance tasks are completed on time and within budget. Mobile access. Mobile apps. Field technicians can access work orders, asset information, and maintenance schedules via mobile devices, improving efficiency and reducing response times. Real-time updates. Mobile access ensures that all stakeholders have real-time visibility into maintenance activities and asset status. Inventory and spare parts management. Inventory tracking. Keep track of spare parts and inventory levels to ensure that necessary components are available when needed. Automated reordering. Set up automated reordering processes based on inventory thresholds to avoid stockouts. Reporting and analytics. Customizable dashboards. If Saltimo offers customizable dashboards for real-time monitoring of key performance indicators, KPIs, and maintenance metrics. Advanced analytics. Utilize advanced analytics to gain insights into asset performance, maintenance efficiency, and cost trends. Health, safety, and environment HSE management. Compliance tracking. Ensure compliance with regulatory requirements by tracking and documenting health, safety, and environmental HSE activities. Incident reporting. Quickly report and respond to incidents, ensuring a safe working environment. Integration capabilities. ERP integration. Seamlessly integrate with existing ERP systems to ensure smooth data flow and alignment between maintenance and financial operations. IoT integration. Leverage IoT sensors and devices to monitor asset conditions in real time, enabling predictive maintenance and reducing unplanned downtime. Benefits. Increased asset uptime. By implementing preventive and predictive maintenance strategies, if Saltimo helps organizations reduce unplanned downtime, ensuring that assets remain operational and productive. Cost savings. Optimize maintenance activities and inventory management, leading to reduced maintenance costs, lower spare parts inventory, and extended asset life. Implementing If Saltimo for asset management. Implementing If Saltimo for asset management involves a systematic approach to ensure that the solution is effectively integrated into your organization's asset management processes. Below is a general guide to implementing If Saltimo. 1. Assessment and planning. Needs assessment. Conduct a thorough analysis of your organization's current asset management processes. Identify pain points, inefficiencies, and areas where If Saltimo can add value. Goal setting. Define clear objectives for the implementation, such as improving asset uptime, reducing maintenance costs, or enhancing compliance. Stakeholder involvement. Engage key stakeholders from various departments, example maintenance, IT, finance, to gather input and ensure alignment with organizational goals. Resource allocation: allocate necessary resources, including personnel, budget, and time, for the implementation. 2. Solution design. Process mapping: map out your existing asset management processes and identify how they will be translated into IFS Ultimo. This might involve customizing workflows and configuring the system to match your business processes. Data migration: plan for the migration of existing asset data into IFS Ultimo. Ensure data accuracy and completeness and decide on the data migration strategy, example manual entry, automated tools. Integration: determine how IFS Ultimo will integrate with other systems within your organization, such as ERP, financial systems, or IoT platforms. 3. Configuration and customization. System configuration: configure IFS Ultimo according to your organization's requirements. This includes setting up asset categories, maintenance schedules, workflows, and user roles. Customization: if needed, work with IFS or a certified partner to customize the solution to meet specific business needs that go beyond standard configuration options. User interface (UI) design: customize the UI to ensure ease of use for different user roles, making it intuitive for technicians, managers, and executives. 4. Testing. Functional testing: test the configured solution to ensure that all asset management processes work as expected. This includes testing workflows, notifications, and integrations. Data validation: verify that migrated data is accurate and complete. Ensure that reports and dashboards reflect the correct information. User acceptance testing: UAT conduct UAT with key users to validate that the system meets their needs and expectations. 5. Training. Training program: develop and deliver a training program tailored to different user roles. Ensure that users are comfortable with the system before going live. Documentation: provide comprehensive user guides and quick reference materials to support ongoing use and adoption. 6. Deployment. Go live: plan and execute the go live process, ensuring minimal disruption to daily operations. This may involve a phased rollout or a full deployment, depending on the size and complexity of the implementation. Support: establish a support structure to address any issues that arise post deployment. This may include a dedicated help desk, online resources, and ongoing training sessions. 7. Post-implementation review. Performance monitoring: regularly monitor the performance of the IFS Ultimo solution to ensure it meets the desired objectives. Utilize built-in analytics and reporting tools to assess effectiveness. Streamlining maintenance processes with IFS Ultimo. Streamlining maintenance processes with IFS Ultimo involves optimizing various aspects of maintenance management, leading to increased efficiency, reduced downtime, and better asset performance. Here's how IFS Ultimo can help achieve this. 1. Centralized maintenance management. IFS Ultimo offers a comprehensive CMMS, computerized maintenance management system, that centralizes all maintenance activities, including work orders, preventive maintenance schedules, and asset management. This centralization ensures that maintenance tasks are planned, tracked, and completed efficiently, reducing the chances of overlooked maintenance needs. 2. Automated workflows. The platform enables the automation of maintenance workflows, from work request submissions to task assignments and completion tracking. Automation reduces manual intervention, accelerates response times, and minimizes errors, leading to quicker resolutions and improved operational uptime. 3. Predictive maintenance. With advanced analytics and IoT integration, if Saltimo supports predictive maintenance by analyzing real-time data from assets. Predictive maintenance helps identify potential failures before they occur, allowing maintenance teams to address issues proactively and avoid unplanned downtime. 4. Mobile access. If Saltimo provides mobile solutions that allow maintenance technicians to access work orders, asset details, and maintenance histories on the go, this mobility enhances the speed and accuracy of maintenance tasks, enabling technicians to perform inspections, record data, and close work orders in real time. 5. Asset management. Effective asset management within if Saltimo ensures that all equipment and assets are tracked, with detailed records of their maintenance history, usage, and condition. This comprehensive view helps in making informed decisions regarding repairs, replacements, and asset life cycle management. 6. Resource optimization. The system assists in optimizing resource allocation by providing insights into technician availability, skill sets, and workload. Efficient resource management ensures that the right personnel are assigned to the right tasks, improving the overall productivity of the maintenance team. 7. Reporting and analytics. If Saltimo offers robust reporting and analytics tools that provide insights into maintenance performance, cost analysis, and asset reliability, these insights help in identifying trends, making data-driven decisions, and continuously improving maintenance strategies. 8. Compliance and safety. The platform supports compliance with regulatory requirements by ensuring that all maintenance activities are documented and tracked. It also integrates safety protocols into maintenance processes, helping to minimize risks and ensure a safe working environment. 9. Integration with other systems. If Saltimo can be integrated with other enterprise systems such as ERP, SCM, and IoT platforms, creating a seamless flow of information across the organization. This integration enhances coordination between departments, improving overall operational efficiency. 10. Customization and scalability. The platform is customizable to meet the specific needs of different industries, whether it's manufacturing, healthcare, or utilities. It is also scalable, meaning it can grow with the organization, accommodating increasing maintenance needs as operations expand. If Saltimo for facilities management, best practices. Implementing if Saltimo for facilities management effectively requires adhering to certain best practices that ensure optimal use of the system's capabilities. Here are some key best practices. 1. Comprehensive data setup. Accurate asset data. Ensure all asset information is accurate and up to date. Include details such as asset location, maintenance history, warranties, and life cycle costs. Structured hierarchy. Organize assets into a clear and logical hierarchy to simplify tracking, reporting, and management. Data standardization. Use consistent naming conventions and data formats to maintain uniformity across the system. 2. Integration with other systems. ERP integration. Integrate Ultimo with your existing ERP system to streamline financial management, procurement, and inventory control. IoT integration. Leverage IoT devices for real-time monitoring of facilities, enabling predictive maintenance and reducing downtime. BIM integration. Integrate with building information modeling, BIM, systems for enhanced facility visualization and management. 3. Process optimization. Automated workflows. Set up automated workflows for common tasks like work order approvals, maintenance scheduling, and inventory replenishment. Preventive maintenance. Implement a robust preventive maintenance program using Ultimo scheduling tools to minimize equipment failure and extend asset life. Energy management. Use the system to monitor and optimize energy usage, identifying areas where consumption can be reduced. 4. User training and adoption. Comprehensive training. Provide thorough training for all users to ensure they are comfortable using the system and understand its full range of capabilities. Continuous learning. Offer ongoing training and refreshers to keep staff updated on new features and best practices. User feedback. Regularly gather user feedback to identify pain points and areas for improvement, ensuring the system remains user-friendly and effective. 5. Performance monitoring and reporting. Key performance indicators, KPIs. Define and monitor KPIs to measure the effectiveness of your facilities management processes. Common KPIs include response times, maintenance costs, and asset uptime. Custom reports. Utilize Ultimo's reporting tools to create custom reports that provide insights into asset performance, work order completion, and overall facility efficiency. Dashboard utilization. Use dashboards to give stakeholders a real-time overview of critical metrics, facilitating quick decision-making. 6. Continuous improvement. Regular audits. Conduct regular audits of your facilities management processes and the data within Ultimo to identify areas for improvement. Feedback loops. Establish feedback loops where end users and managers can propose enhancements or report issues, ensuring the system evolves with your needs. System updates. Keep the software up to date with the latest patches and upgrades to benefit from new features, security improvements, and enhanced performance. 7. Compliance and safety management. Regulatory compliance. Use Ultimo to track and document compliance with industry regulations, ensuring that all safety and legal requirements are met. Incident management. Implement incident reporting and tracking within the system to manage and mitigate risks related to health, safety, and the environment. Safety audits. Schedule and document regular safety audits to ensure the workplace meets all safety standards and regulations. Customization and integration capabilities of Ultimo. Ultimo, a comprehensive enterprise asset management (EAM) software, offers extensive customization and integration capabilities that allow organizations to tailor the system to their unique needs and seamlessly connect with other enterprise systems. Here's an overview. Customization capabilities. User interface (UI) customization. Custom fields and forms. Users can add custom fields to existing forms or create entirely new forms to capture additional data relevant to their operations. Tailored workflows. If Sultimo allows the customization of workflows to align with specific business processes. This includes setting up automated actions, notifications, and approval processes. Personalized dashboards and reports. Users can create personalized dashboards and reports to monitor KPIs, asset performance, and other critical metrics. Business logic customization, scripting and automation. If Sultimo supports scripting capabilities, enabling users to automate routine tasks, enforce business rules, or trigger specific actions based on certain conditions. Custom business rules. Organizations can define custom business rules to enforce specific policies, compliance requirements, or operational procedures. Localization and language support. Multilanguage capabilities. The system supports multiple languages, allowing users to customize language packs or add new ones to meet regional requirements. Regional compliance and standards. The platform can be tailored to comply with local regulations, industry standards, and safety requirements. Integration capabilities. API and web services. RESTful and SOAP APIs. If Sultimo offers robust APIs that allow for seamless integration with other enterprise systems such as ERP, CRM, SCM, and IoT platforms. Data exchange. The platform supports real-time data exchange, ensuring that information flows smoothly between if Sultimo and other systems, reducing manual data entry and enhancing data accuracy. Pre-built connectors and adapters. ERP systems. If Sultimo integrates with major ERP systems like SAP, Oracle, and Microsoft Dynamics, enabling synchronized financial data, procurement processes, and inventory management. IoT and predictive maintenance. Integration with IoT platforms allows for real-time monitoring of assets, predictive maintenance, and automated alerts based on sensor data. Third-party integration. SCADA systems. If Sultimo can be integrated with SCADA systems for real-time monitoring and control of industrial processes. Mobile and field service solutions. The system integrates with mobile and field service solutions, enabling technicians to access asset data, complete work orders, and update the system in real time from the field. Cloud and hybrid deployments. Cloud integration. If Sultimo supports integration with cloud-based applications and services, facilitating the use of SaaS solutions, cloud storage, and cloud-based analytics tools. Hybrid environment support. The platform can operate in a hybrid environment, allowing seamless integration between on-premises systems and cloud-based services. Real-time analytics and reporting in if Sultimo. Real-time analytics and reporting in if Sultimo involve the use of advanced data processing techniques and tools to provide up-to-the-minute insights into asset performance, maintenance activities, and operational efficiency. This capability is crucial for organizations aiming to make informed decisions quickly, respond to issues as they arise, and optimize their asset management strategies. Here's how it works. Key features. Real-time data integration. If Sultimo integrates with various data sources, including IoT devices, sensors, and other enterprise systems, to collect and process data in real time. This ensures that the information available for analysis is always current. Dynamic dashboards and visualizations. Users can create dynamic dashboards that update in real time, providing visual representations of key metrics such as equipment uptime, maintenance schedules, and asset health. These dashboards can be customized to show the most relevant data for specific roles or departments. Predictive maintenance analytics. By analyzing real time data, if Saltimo can predict potential failures or maintenance needs before they occur, this allows organizations to shift from reactive to predictive maintenance, reducing downtime and improving asset longevity. Alerts and notifications. The system can generate real time alerts based on predefined conditions. For example, if a critical asset's performance deviates from the norm, an immediate alert can be sent to the relevant personnel, enabling swift action. Interactive reporting tools. Users can drill down into reports to explore underlying data, filter results in real time, and export findings for further analysis. The reports can be scheduled or generated on demand, providing flexibility in how information is accessed and used. Mobile access. Real-time analytics and reporting can be accessed via mobile devices, allowing field technicians and managers to stay informed and make decisions on the go. Use cases. Maintenance management. Real-time analytics help maintenance teams monitor the status of ongoing work orders, track technician performance, and ensure compliance with service level agreements, SLAs. Asset performance monitoring. Continuous monitoring of asset performance indicators such as temperature, vibration, and energy consumption enables early detection of issues, reducing the risk of unexpected failures. Inventory optimization. Real-time insights into spare parts usage and stock levels help in maintaining optimal inventory levels, ensuring that critical parts are available when needed without overstocking. Compliance and safety. Organizations can track compliance with safety regulations in real time, ensuring that any deviations are immediately addressed to maintain a safe working environment. Benefits. Enhanced decision making. Access to real time data enables faster, more informed decision making. Increased operational efficiency. By responding quickly to issues, organizations can reduce downtime and improve overall efficiency. Why choose ProExcellency for IF Saltimo online training? Choosing ProExcellency for IF Saltimo online training can offer several benefits. Here are some key reasons. Expert trainers. ProExcellency provides training from industry experts who have extensive experience with IF Saltimo. Their instructors are often certified professionals with deep knowledge of the software, ensuring high-quality learning. Comprehensive curriculum. The training covers a wide range of topics, from basic to advanced levels, including IF Saltimo's features, modules, and best practices. This ensures that participants gain a thorough understanding of the software. Flexible learning options. ProExcellency offers flexible training schedules, including online sessions that can be accessed from anywhere. This flexibility is ideal for working professionals who need to balance their studies with other commitments. Hands-on experience. The training typically includes practical exercises and real-world scenarios, allowing learners to apply what they've learned in a simulated environment. This hands on approach helps reinforce theoretical knowledge. Customized training solutions. ProExcellency often tailors its training programs to meet the specific needs of organizations or individuals, ensuring that the content is relevant and applicable to the learner's context. Post training support. They may offer continued support even after the training is completed, including access to resources, forums, and additional learning materials to help learners continue developing their skills. Affordability. ProExcellency's courses are often competitively priced, making high quality training more accessible to a wider audience. Certification preparation. If you are preparing for certification, ProExcellency's training may include guidance on exam preparation, helping you achieve certification in IF Saltimo. Thank you.